add 1 tablet to water and use it to water your geraniums. Their blooming will become incredibly abundant, with deeper and more intense colors than ever before. This 1 tablet will restore their vitality and health, supporting their rapid growth. Geraniums need the right ingredients to stimulate intense blooming. So, take 1 tablet, break it into smaller pieces, and place it in a bowl. I'll reveal what this ingredient is shortly. Prepare a larger container and add about 10 fluid ounces of water. Drop the crushed powder in, then mix everything until you get a uniform solution. Now, prepare an empty spray bottle, remove the lid, and pour the mixture into the bottle. Close it tightly, shake well, and you now have a natural spray fertilizer. Simply spray your geraniums with this solution, and after a short time, you'll notice the plants becoming greener, healthier, and full of flowers. They will start producing new buds, and their leaves will become more intense, helping the geraniums regain their natural beauty and bloom like never before. The ingredient is aspirin. Aspirin improves plant health by boosting their resistance to diseases and stress, leading to more intense blooming and a healthier appearance. Thanks to it, the plants become stronger and more resilient to unfavorable conditions. This is how I water my pelargoniums. My balcony will be bursting with flowers. The method is really simple. Just pour 1 liter of water into a pitcher. Then add a whole packet of dry yeast. Yeast is rich in minerals like potassium and amino acids that support root development and plant growth. Add 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds. Coffee contains nitrogen, a key nutrient for fast growth and abundant flowering. Now add 2 small teaspoons of sugar. Mix everything well until the ingredients dissolve and form a uniform mixture. Prepare a pitcher with 5 liters of water and pour in the entire mixture. Simply take a glass of this magical mixture and water all your pelargoniums with it. Use it regularly and you'll notice an amazing difference. Even the pelargoniums that seemed weak will come back to life. This natural care method will keep your flowers healthy, strong, and beautiful all season long. Dissolve in water and water your geraniums. They'll be covered in flowers like never before. Since I started using this fertilizer, my geraniums have been producing countless new buds and growing beautifully. Take some dry yeast from your kitchen cupboard. Put a teaspoon of yeast into a small bowl, then add a teaspoon of sugar. Pour in a little water and mix everything until the yeast dissolves. Yeast contains B vitamins, organic iron, amino acids, and trace elements, making it an excellent fertilizer for potted plants. Once the yeast is dissolved, pour the mixture into a bottle of water. Shake well to combine everything. Now, water your flowers with this mixture. You'll see how much they grow after using this fertilizer. Yeast works as a gentle organic fertilizer. It provides amino acids, proteins, and enzymes that support plant growth and health. Water your geraniums with this yeast solution every 2 to 3 weeks. Make sure to pour it around the base of the plants, avoiding the leaves, and enjoy beautiful flowers all summer long. I add this to water and water my geraniums with it. They grow faster and immediately produce lots of new buds. The flowers are large and have a beautiful vivid color. All you need is a large bottle. Pour 1.5 liters of regular water or rainwater into it. Next, you'll need some lager beer. Add a few teaspoons of this liquid gold to the bottle. Use natural or organic beer without additives or preservatives, as these can be harmful. The beverage of the gods contains yeast, sugars, and carbohydrates, which can serve as a quick source of energy for soil microorganisms. Yeast contains potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, exactly what flowering plants like geraniums need. You'll see that this water will further strengthen your geraniums. Remember, geraniums don't like too much water, so water them in moderation. This water with a bit of lager is perfect for geraniums. In a short time, they will reward you with beautiful flowers. Especially during hot weather, mineral-rich water from the liquid gold will be very beneficial for geraniums. A way to plant geraniums without breaking stems or damaging roots. All you need is a simple gardening trick with flower pots. Planting flowers in balcony boxes becomes so easy with this method, it surprises everyone. When you buy geraniums, take them out of their pots. Put some soil at the bottom of your planter box. Place the empty geranium pots on top. Now add more soil, carefully filling it around the pots. When the box is full, remove the empty pots. Done. You now have perfect holes ready for planting your geraniums. Just insert the flowers, and that's it. You can hang the boxes on your balcony right away. If you're planting trailing geraniums, remove them from their pots too. Add soil to the bottom of your box. Place the empty pots at a slight angle and keep filling in soil. When the box is full, take the pots out and plant the geraniums in the ready-made spaces. This way you won't damage the plants, bend the stems, or disturb the roots. It's a simple trick you can use for planting any kind of flowers. This spoonful will make your geraniums grow like crazy. Today, I'll share a secret you'll thank me for. The volume of your flowers will significantly increase, thanks to 2 ingredients. Their combination provides the flowers with all the vitamins and minerals they need to bloom. Let me show you what to do. First, prepare a 5-liter jug of water. Now, it's time for the main ingredient of this fertilizer: fresh yeast. Yeast is a source of amino acids essential for the synthesis of proteins and enzymes in plants. You'll need 10 grams of it. Measure it out using a kitchen scale and then add it to the jug. Next, we need to add a special powder to the water with the yeast. You might be surprised, but this is eggshells. Eggshells are rich in many minerals, such as calcium, which is crucial for the growth of our plants. Here's how to prepare the powder. Rinse and dry the eggshells, then crush them into small pieces, or even better, grind them into a fine powder using a blender. Add 1 tablespoon of this powder to the jug with water and yeast. Mix everything thoroughly. Use this nutrient-rich water to water your geraniums. You'll notice the difference almost immediately. Their color will be more vibrant, and above all, the number of flowers will significantly increase. This is the best way to store geraniums until spring. With this method, you'll enjoy beautiful flowers next year. Before the frost, dig up the geraniums from the garden or remove them from their pots. Shake off the excess soil from the roots. Remove all faded flowers and any new buds, as the geranium needs to focus its energy on surviving the winter rather than blooming. Also, remove any dried or diseased leaves. Next, prepare a paper bag and place the geranium inside, ensuring the entire plant fits inside, with only the roots sticking out. Tie the bag with string, but not too tightly. You can store the geraniums in a place where the temperature is between a few and around 10 degrees Celsius, such as a cellar or a cool cupboard. Make sure the bag is not exposed to direct sunlight. The bag can either hang or sit on a shelf. The important thing is that it's paper. And even if all the leaves drop, don't worry. This is normal. In spring, the plant will sprout new leaves, and once planted in the ground, it will revive even faster.